In this video lesson, I'll explain how I made this professional outstanding flyer designed for a skincare product. If you have yet to subscribe, please do that, like, comment, and stick with the video. Follow me as I show you a guide on how I made this flyer designed for a skincare product. If you are a complete beginner, you can as well watch my previous video I made about the basics, only explained in 11 minutes, explain the basics of how CorelDRAW works. I'm using Corel 2021 for this lesson video. Actually, you can use any year of CorelDRAW you are using. It's still the same. It's still applicable to all CorelDRAW. Now let's get straight to it without wasting much time. Firstly, in designing, you need to know that you need to draw your shape. Everything you're designing is inside a shape. You get that's it. Either a square, rectangle, whatever you design is always inside shape. Now let's continue. After you draw this your shape, now you make this your logo. I'm not going to waste much time because I already made it. I'm just showing you how I made it, guiding you through the process. I already made it, so I'm not going to do it again. So now first, what I mentioned, I'm just going to put this my color in here. I'll just head over to my color pick. Here is it. You see this color airdrop. I'm just going to select it, and you see if I move it, now I have to copy color from any design you want to collect. Just click on it, then you see it went straight to this smart fee. Just click on it once. You see that's I've already given this my own color. Now let's go back to what pick 2. Remember I explained pick 2 is that's the tool you go to if you have to select other tools. Don't forget that. Now since I already gave this the color of this particular design I made, I'm just gonna move this here. I'm gonna move this here, and if you see I used this ruler to make sure that everything is straight. I'm just gonna duplicate this ruler. I just drag and ahead and just gonna right click. That's how to duplicate. I just duplicated the line. That's the same thing. I'm using my name for this on flyer design. Now let's continue. Beauty in every drop. I used Zazo demo font. You can see my cursor. That was the font I used, and the PT is 40. Let's just make this 48. 48. Enter. Just click on enter after I'm typing, and that's simple. And after that, let's move these straight. Just hold your shift key, then you drag your right click. That's right. I already duplicated this. I'm not wasting much time because I already made it already. If you want to, you can tap and powered by nature. Let me just group these and hold my shift key, drag and drop. Because you are designing for the first time, so you need to retap all these one. I'm not tapping it again because I already made it. Not to let this video to be too lengthy. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Then now, how did I do this one? This one is just normal shape, just this normal shape like this, and added in black color. You can see that's as simple as that. So, but I'm just grouping this because I already made it. Control G, and as well as this tick, you can find it in Pinterest. Just search for tick green color. You see there. That's it. But I advise you download all these elements you need. These are necessary element needed for this. The reason I use this green because this thing this guy's face, I mean, um is green. So you get. So let's continue. I'm just gonna group all these already and bring it here. On my shift key, then now right click for duplicate. And yeah, that's it. Then this one as well. I'm just gonna bring all these here. I'm just gonna bring all these on my shift key. Yes, is it. But if you see there are these other ones, this other shape and this picture. These one they are power clips. So I'm just gonna copy all these ones. Let me just copy all these ones. Control C, then F4, then you right click, finish editing. Then you see this one. There's nothing inside this power clip. Just gonna click on Control V, then Control. Okay, let me just. I will explain some. Um, I'll give you one shot comparison. Edit power clip. So it's already like this. I'm just gonna do this and my shift key, drag and drop. I'm gonna move these with my navigator key. You can find that in your keyboard. Just look at your keyboard. You see this that place. You see 4 arrow. That's navigator key. It's like simple, and yeah, I think this should be it. Okay, let me bring it down a little bit. Finish editing. Okay, and let's take this a little bit. Let's take this a little bit. Yeah, finish edit our clip. F4. And it's okay. Now we need to bring all these here. So my shift key. Yes, that was it. That was it. I made this professional flyer design for my client. No more, nothing more than this that I just did. You understand? So it's very simple. Let me just cut this one. Okay. I'm just gonna cut this. Let me see. Finish. See, how did I do that? Let me explain. Very simple. I just went to no, this one happened. This one because this one affected this other one. Just went to this one. After you see your pick tool, you see your shape tool. Come back to this your crop tool. You see I use this virtual segment delete. That's what I used. Now let me draw this other one. Let me first finish this. Finish. I'm just gonna copy and copy this. Control C. Finish editing. Double click. Control V. That's to paste. Now to move this to this other place, I just click on Control X. It's already moved. And if I paste Control V back, that was what I was trying to explain. Then that it come back to the same spot because I just cut it. Control X or cut. Just gonna hold my Shift key. Shift page down. That's to take it down. Now not to be on top of the image and finish editing. See, simple as this. Then next, I'm gonna remove the outline F12. Then none. Okay, simple as that. That is all you need to know. Then F9. You see, we already made this outstanding professional skincare product for someone. So you can as well copy this if you want. Oh, let me make this adjustment. Man, I already changed my Control U. That's to ungroup. To Control U again. I grouped this one. So this one is now MK graphics. I'm just gonna do this. Control G F4. I'm gonna do same here. Control U. That's to ungroup. I was just deleting this because yeah. That is my number. You can find my Telegram. That's my WhatsApp number. So yeah, that is it. The next. You're gonna group all these. Control G. Control G. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for sticking with me till the end of this video. If you want me to explain any other ones, you can say comment it, then we go through your comment and make a video lesson for that. Thanks for watching. Well, let's do this F9. Yeah.